To upload a reference image for image-to-image generation in Artlist AI, start by logging into your Artlist account and opening the AI Image Generator tool. This feature allows you to guide the AI using an existing image while transforming or enhancing it based on your text prompt. Once inside the image generation workspace, click on Create New Image to open the generation panel. Depending on the interface version, you may see an option labeled Image to Image, Reference Image, or Upload Image. Select this mode to enable visual input alongside your text prompt. Next, locate the Upload Reference Image button. Click it and choose an image from your device files. This image will act as the base structure or visual guide for the AI model. After selecting the file, wait for the upload to complete. You should see a preview of the image appear in the workspace, confirming that it has been successfully added. After the reference image is uploaded, you can begin writing your text prompt. This prompt tells the AI how to modify or reinterpret the image. For example, you can change the style, lighting, environment, or even transform the entire artistic direction while keeping the original structure. You may also have access to additional controls such as image strength or influence level. These settings determine how closely the output follows the reference image versus the text prompt. A higher strength keeps more of the original image, while a lower strength allows more creative changes. Once your prompt and settings are ready, click the Generate button. The AI will process both the reference image and your text instructions to produce new variations. This process may take a few seconds depending on complexity and server load. After generation, review the results carefully. If the output is too close or too different from your expectation, adjust either the prompt or the image strength setting and generate again until you achieve the desired result. Finally, once satisfied with the output, click Download to save the image to your device. You can then use it for design work, content creation, or creative projects. And that's how you upload a reference image for image-to-image generation in Artlist AI. Upload your image, write a guiding prompt, adjust settings, generate variations, and refine until you get the exact visual result you want.